Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. I usually don't do a recipe for chicken, but this is my all-time favorite. Hot and spicy, sticky chicken wings. And they are absolutely amazing and so quick and easy to make. I've made a batch right here and I'm going to do a taste test for sure. Let me show you what they look like. Can you see them? Let me pick one of them. Look at that. I'm going to be eating this whole plate right now. It's my dinner. So, we're standing in my kitchen. So let's get cooking. So let's begin with the recipe. We take a packet that's 750 grams of chicken wings. I want to show you that you need to cut them, chop them into two. That's the flats and the breasts. There's a little, you'll get that little bit where you'll be able to cut it into half. Now I've cut all of them and put them. And now we're going to make the dry mix. So we are going to start with 3 tablespoons of baking powder. I've put in only 2 just now because my box finished. I'll put it in later. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, black pepper, and now I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. In that goes, and that's my 3rd tablespoon of baking powder. And now I'm putting in garlic powder. 1 or 2 teaspoons. I put in, I think, 1 teaspoon of it. That's your dry mix ready. And I've just added a little more of paprika. Now the baking powder is, this is white pepper powder. If you have it, it's fine. Otherwise, it's okay. Now put in all your chicken wings and in 2 or 3 batches, start putting your dry mix in. The baking powder helps in the crispiness of your chicken wings. It's very important to the recipe. So I'm mixing in the dry mix and now I'm going to see that it's coated all the chicken wings beautifully, and that's how we want it. Now I'm going to put it onto a tray and I put a foil on it. And I'm putting this mesh on top so that your tray doesn't get dirty. I'm going to line all these in a row. And it's ready to go into the oven for 20 minutes to begin with on one side. Then you turn them around and another 20 minutes. Now I'm making the hot and spicy sticky sauce. So that's half a cup of water and 1/4 cup of a sweetener. A brown sugar substitute would be amazing. I didn't have any. If you have it, put that. Now put in 1/4 of a cup of your favorite hot sauce. In that goes, and mix and bring it to a nice boil. And then now we'll add in our little other tidbits. That is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. That gives it that tangy taste. Now again I'm putting in my white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of that. If you don't have it, put black pepper. Mix and bring it to a nice boil. Of course, I'm going to add a bit of salt. And what's very important is this maple syrup or caramel syrup. 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of either maple or caramel extract. And I've also added 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And lastly, the butter. Without the butter, it's not going to become that smooth and lovely texture. So 1 tablespoon of butter. And now I'm adding, of course, xantham gum. 1 teaspoon of xantham gum, just so that it becomes thickened. And over the fire, let it come to a nice boil and then relax it. At the end, I put 1 tablespoon of water so that it all comes together. Now I'm turning them over. The first 20 minutes are over. The second 20 minutes are also over. They come out really, really crispy. Can you see the brown? Okay, and then we just pour over this sticky, hot, spicy sauce, and it is yummilicious. Oh my God. I hardly ever do chicken recipes, but I thought I'd bring this one forward for all of you. So do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell. See you in my next video. Lots and lots of love always. Love is the only thing that makes the world go round. Bye then. Take care.